Hi, my name is Bob. I'm here on behalf of Radar Busters. We're at SEMA 2018 in Las Vegas, and we actually have this is a very special treat because we have a man here, one of the brains behind the great technology that comes out of Whistler. First time on camera, so we had to work him to come out here in front. But Mike Batten, a lot of you guys are going to know him. He's been participating on the forums since the beginning.
Several years,
and given unbelievable support to Whistler. And he's just a wonderful guy to work with. He's one of my favorite guys in this industry. Stand up, great technology, great integrity. And anyway, this is Mike Batten, head of product development and engineering at Whistler. He works out of Littleton, Massachusetts, and Whistler Corporate is in Bentonville, Arkansas. So here we're in Vegas for 2018, and we're going to go over. Mike's going to take us through some of the new offerings of Whistler and what's potentially to come ahead. So I think you're going to like this. And Mike, with that, let's go talk about I think the new product category is a new segment. The MFU is at the 440, right?
Yes, we're offering just recently released an MFU440. Basically, we've combined our high-performance radar detector with a GPS, Wi-Fi, and a DVR. It's a 1080p, 30 frames per second, full HD DVR.
Built into the detector, first of its kind. Very cool.
We decided to go with a simple, sleek approach, basically taking the shape of a general radar detector rather than taking a DVR and putting a radar detector in it. We took the radar detector, which we're known for, and put the DVR in it, maintaining the same shape. The display is a radar detector display. You're not going to be getting a large LCD type display. A lot of times those can be problematic. So again, staying with the radar detector form factor, right, including DVR, GPS, and Wi-Fi.
Right, which is also new for you guys, for Wi-Fi.
That's correct. And you can live stream to your phone, you can download the videos to your phone. Once they're on your phone, you can send them out no differently than any other video or picture on your phone.
And one great thing that Mike shared with us today about their Wi-Fi, it is super easy to connect to Wi-Fi. So you bring up you put this in it.
That's correct. You hold one button for 2 seconds, a little Wi-Fi image will come up in the upper corner. You'll turn your phone on, go to your connections. You'll select the sports DVR. That would be what this would be considered. Once that's been selected, you'll open up the RD camera app, and I don't know if I have one saved on my phone. Check it really quick. You can at least see what it looks like.
And it's Android and iOS.
Android and iOS.
Fabulous.
So right here, RD dash cam. Press it, that's what it will look like. You'll hit the enter button, it'll go in, and with the Wi-Fi enabled on here, you'll be live streaming to your phone.
Awesome. And now how do you pair it by the settings and broadcast the Wi-Fi, or is it done within the app itself?
It's in the app. Once you pair it to your phone, it's going to ask you for a password. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Awesome.
So simple to remember.
And it's actually like a reverse pairing, so you pair it, but instead of it going out and communicating, it connects and then uses the data stream out of your phone to do all the communication.
That's correct. It's actually not using any data from your phone. It's just connecting Wi-Fi to your phone. So there's no data being used for your carrier.
Oh, no, but for the coming down.
That's correct.
Right.
Yep.
Awesome. So first of its kind. Now this also has an SD card.
It does have an SD card. You can take the SD card out. You can download it. You can place it into your laptop or your PC. Pull the information right off.
What's the capacity of this?
It's coming with an 8 gig card, but it's capable of up to 32 gig.
Which gives you what, about 4 hours or so?
More. It depends on the quality. I mean, you have multiple settings. 1080 HD. You can select 720 if you want to. You can go all the way down to VGA. A little grainier image, but you can store a lot more information.
Right. Now, can you also then plug by data and then pull like DCMI, DCI-MF files? Or?
No, the micro USB port on the detector is for updating the detector.
Just firmware?
That's firmware and database updates, because this does have a GPS in it. We do have a database for US and Canada for red light systems, and sometimes, depending upon the area, areas where officers like to park, if that's in our database, the unit will alert you as you approach.
Right, okay. And you had mentioned earlier about the way it records. Can you talk about that looping, or how the segments are?
Sure. Like a lot of other DVRs, there's a a looping function on here. You can shut the looping off where it'll basically record until the card's full, then stop and say SD card full.
Right.
You can set the looping to 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, and it'll record those in loop segments and put them in their own folders. Those folders will just continue until the card gets full,
right.
But if there's nothing been saved from an accident or manually saved, it will go and rewrite over a folder. So it's always keeping current information on there, and anything that's old will go away.
And when you mark an event or save that event, how long is that duration protected from being overwritten?
Depending upon the file size that you chose. If you chose a 1 minute file size, that whole 1 minute will be saved and not reported over. If you chose 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 3 minutes, that one file that you've chosen to save will stay intact in its entirety.
Just not to get too much in the weeds here, but sorry for this, but where in the sequence of the 5 minutes or 3 minutes do you know when you push or mark that event before and after that event?
The file's already started. At the point in which you save it, it's not 1 minute or 3 minutes prior. From that point, it's just that file folder has been saved. If you were at 2 minutes and 50 seconds of a 3 minute video,
right.
Then you're going to get 2 minutes and 50 seconds prior. You're pressing plus the 10 afterwards.
So does it let you know where in the sequence it is in any way?
Currently, it does not. That is something we can update it firmware.
Very cool. Yeah, I think that would be interesting. You can have a counter or something. You know.
Again, currently it does not.
Right.
But if you're live streaming it to your phone, and then you can see everything that's going on.
Absolutely. Okay, cool. Well, this is really nice. Again, Whistler, we got a glimpse of this several months ago back in when we visited
you stopped in and it was in my truck.
Right, but I'd love to have talked about it, but we respect the privacy and confidentiality. But it's out here now.
Yeah,
I didn't
one
even
other
know.
thing I didn't mention to you, there is a 3-axis G sensor in here. So in the event of an accident, it will automatically save a file.
Creates an event.
That's correct.
Awesome.
It's adjustable. It's a 2G, 4G, or 8G setting. Depending upon how hard your vehicle rides, you can choose to set the sensitivity to what you want.
Wow.
If you want to set it to record every time you hit a pothole, you can do that too. But you could potentially fill up a card quickly that way.
Any potential integration where if you get an alert that in and of itself can be configured to create an event?
Currently, no. But again, anything's possible with the firmware updates.
That'd be pretty cool. Very nice. Oh, and what's the price point going to be on this thing?
Every day around $199. I think the MSRP is probably $229.
$229, right. And the performance is not going to be at the level of the new CR97?
It is not. It'll be the same performance as our high-performance platform. We have our Z31R Plus. If anybody's been familiar with the performance of that unit, the performance will be very similar.
Right. And I suspect this, assuming how well this is received, there could be more of this type. This is
absolutely. This is just the first of potentially many. If this is well received, we have the opportunity to build it into something like our CR97 in the future.
Right. I love that detector.
The unit, thank you. The unit will most likely have to get a little bit larger. This is pretty packed in order to get the performance out of it that we needed. We had to use up pretty much every available inch of space in there.
Right. But we got a laser radar and video all in there.
That is correct.
Very, very cool.
And GPS and the Wi-Fi. Yes.
Right. And now something else that's going to be available with this package and also available eventually in the future as an accessory, potentially in other products, is their first articulating single sticky cup bracket.
Correct. Yeah. Beyond the single most complaint we get on radar detectors and many from their experiences is falsity.
Yeah.
And we've done everything we can to take care of that. With the abundance of systems that are out there today. The second highest complaint on radar detectors is suction cups not sticking to functions. And I think over the years we've done a very good job at creating enough suction cups and availability to some of our products that they've worked well. But we're looking to take it up to the next level, and this is just not your average your average suction cup. It's what we refer to as a sticky cup. It is it's very tacky. As you can see, as I'm trying to pull this off, it's very tacky. So once you stick that to your windshield and you lock it down, it stays put. It doesn't go anywhere. I get enough articulating angle on here that even with our windshield rake of a Corvette, the unit can stay level. And if you had a cheap Wrangler,
look at that, perpendicular.
Just about perpendicular.
Awesome.
Wrangler, you can still get the unit level. So there's plenty of articulation here. In the event that you have enough curve on your windshield and it causes your detector to sit funny, you can compensate for that as well.
Very well designed. And when this closes, does this, do you sort of twist this to give it
No,
pressure?
no. It's just a simple lever.
Just a simple lever. Nice.
That's it.
And then if it gets dirty or whatever, you just simply wash it off with water.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
if you happen to have this off and you drop it, you get lint or dirt on it, you just rinse it under cold water. That stuff comes right off. Let it dry, and you're good to go.
It's awesome to have this completely integrated, one power source.
One cord going down, and we want to keep it clean and neat.
Wow, this is very cool. So, Mike, awesome stuff.
Thank you, Bob.
That's the MFU440,
That is correct.
and it'll be available, I guess,
Coming around January.
coming around
Yep.
January. Okay, so that'll be around CES time. So,
That's correct.
right, good stuff. New product category. Okay, do you want to go and talk about the 97 and what we did?
Well, you could probably speak more on that, yeah, but yes, we recently released the 97. I believe Radar Busters has the exclusive on this.
Yes.
Sales have been approximately for about just under a month. Is that about correct?
Yeah.
All right, good.
And it's been getting nice traction, and feedback's been developing, and this has been a sleeper, I think. And,
Yeah, no, my vice president of sales, he drives with a lot of our detectors over the years, and he has said by far that this one here is the best detector that he's owned.
Right.
From everything we put out, and like I say, he does a lot of driving too. You do a lot of driving, he does a lot of driving. I think you have him beat though.
right, we put, as you may know if you've seen some of our previous videos, 12,000 miles as we helped work with Mike and give him feedback before this product saw the light of day. And I still drive it, this detector. It's actually the only detector I've been driving since I started driving it. So I'm very, very happy with the performance. It kills on KA. And K-band is noticeably improved. And even for those who are driving like New Jersey or Ohio, CX-band, it's not that often, but definitely picked up on that.
X-band has actually been improved a lot on this since the CR93. Not only do we improve K-band and K-band, as Bobby mentioned, but X-band, there's a big performance.
Right, and laser is spectacular. We actually did some testing on when I came up to Littleton, and we had some of the latest guns.
That's correct.
So, and this sucker didn't miss one of them, including the Dragon Eye compact variable pulse.
Yep.
We even got the Stalker RLR, but we didn't have that in time for that.
Yeah, no, we're really proud of our laser performance. It's been pretty solid over the years, and I think we've done a lot with the LSIDs, you know,
Right.
to help identify different laser guns out there. I know we surprised a few people.
Yeah, no question. And then the other special feature that's near and dear to my heart, and I'd like to work well on figuring and coming together with this, is this FDSR, what we call number feature, which will now, it's unique to Whistler, the ability to alert to and identify to the frequency modulated sources of radar that come from the collision avoidance systems that you experience. Whistler is the only detector. You can configure it, you don't have to have it on this way, but you can configure it to let you know that the radar that it's seeing is actually FMCW. And we're actually now beginning to find that, as we shared with you, some ticketing cameras and technology are being used to issue tickets. That's a new development in this country. So FMCW,
It is working its way through the country, yes.
Yeah.
Initially, it's been a feature I've had in for several years, actually. It's just been kind of behind the scenes. You had to press certain buttons to get to this feature. We used it for information collection.
right?
But yes, you did find another use for it.
Yeah.
And with a few tweaks, we reconfigured it and made it a mainstream feature. Again, as you said, it's selectable. You can use it or choose not to use it.
Right.
I like to use it for information.
Right.
Still.
So am I. Definitely.
But yes, it's just another tool for the user to use.
And that's unique to the CR97.
That is
So
correct.
you got the GPS and the great photo enforcement database, the Verilite database, I believe you call it,
That's
right?
correct.
But the 95, which is the non-GPS version, doesn't have that FDSR feature insofar as alerting you and identifying these FMCW ticketing sources like that. So I think that in and of itself really justifies the value proposition. Even if you don't really need or want the GPS, that FDSR number, I think is in and of itself a feature worth getting not without GPS.
It's our hope that we can learn enough from the systems that are out there in time that maybe we can do something even more unique with it.
Right. So good stuff. Again, thanks, Mike. This is the first time he's been in. He did a fabulous job.
You were very kind to me.
Oh, I've known this guy. I mean, just terrific.
Go back
guy.
for years.
He's there. So anyway, are you guys going to be at CES?
We will be at CES.
Right. So
we will be in North Hall. I'm not sure of the number, but in the same general area.
So again, thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about the MFU440 or the CR97, please visit radarbusters.com. The product's going to be available there. If you all have any questions, by all means, can feed it to us. And any real serious technical questions, Mike is readily available to listen to that feedback, which has really been great in taking back feedback and tweaking the products, making them better, and giving what the consumers want. And that starts especially with that FDSR number features. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the video, and we'll see you soon. Take care.
Thanks.